you must try these Brazilian cuisines, dishes, and snacks when you go to Brazil. Your travel experience to Brazil isn't complete if you haven't tried this food yet. Number 1. Churrasco. It is a Brazilian dish of steak barbecued over a wood or charcoal fire. So it is literally barbecue. In Brazil, there are a lot of churrascarias. So these are restaurants or places where they offer churrascos. And my favorite type of churrasco is costela and picanha. It is pronounced as churrasco. The CH in Portuguese is pronounced as sh. We have that pronunciation of CH, such as Chicago or Michigan. The CH there, that is how you pronounce churrasco. The double R in Portuguese, it has the sound of H. It is not churrasco, but Brazilians pronounce it as churrasco. Number 2, Pão de Alho. Pão de Alho is a Brazilian style of garlic bread. You can also find Pão de Alho in most churrascarias. They grill the Pão de Alho and serve it with churrascos. Pão is bread. It is pronounced as pão. It's not pau. You will see a lot of words in Brazil with this symbol, this accent mark, which is called a chiu. That means it should be nasalized. The sound comes from the nose, so from the nasal area. It's like pão. It's pronounced as pão. It's close to the sound of my name, pão. Alho is garlic, and the LH is pronounced as lia. So it's alho, it's not alho. Pão de Alho. Number 3. Guaraná. Guaraná soda was accidentally discovered or created in the state of Maranhão in the year 1920. Guaraná is a kind of fruit. You can find many of guarana fruit in the Amazon rainforests. Guaraná soda, a soft drink. You should drink this with moderation. Too much soft drinks or soda is not good to your health. So if you can notice the accent mark at the end, the acento agudo, accent marks in Portuguese denotes where to put the stress in the word, which syllable should be stressed. When you see these accent marks, you should put the stress on that syllable. Most of the words in Portuguese has the stress on its second to the last syllable, the penultimate syllable. If you don't see any accent mark, there are some exceptions to the rule, of course, but most of the time it's penultimate. Like the passion fruit, maracuja. Maracuja has 4 syllables. Maracuja. The ja, the last syllable, has an accent mark on the letter A. Without it, it should be maracuja. If it's stressed on the first syllable, it's maracuja. If it's stressed on the second syllable, it should be maracuja. If it's in the third, it should be maracuja. But these are wrong. It is stressed on the fourth, so it should be read as maracuja. It's not Guaraná. It's not Guarana. It should be Guaraná. Guaraná. Number 4. Café. It is not surprising that Brazil has one of the most delicious coffee in the world. It is the world's largest producer of coffee. It is accounted for the 40% of the global coffee supply. Brazilians are coffee lovers. They consume brewed coffee twice or thrice a day, or more. Acento agudo is in the E, so it's not cafe. It should be café. Café. Number 5. Açaí. When I say açaí, I'm referring to the smoothie derived from the açaí fruit. So Açaí is a palm tree which bears small edible blackish purple berries. Brazilians make a very good smoothie and ice cream from the Açaí fruit. It is best with leche en pó, banana, and granola. Açaí, so se sigilla, the C with the tail. It is read as letter S, like S. It's not acai or acai. It should be Açaí. Açaí. So it has an accent mark at the letter I, the last syllable. Açaí. There are a lot of Brazilian foods that you must try when in Brazil. Here's the other top 10 on my list. Feijão, brigadeiro, pão de queijo, feijoada, farofa, paçoca, moqueca, coxinhas, quindim, and pastel. Some other food and beverages that are honorable mentions and noteworthy